511 of the Atomic Ivy source, Hashicorp Terraform Part 1, and the tiny URL is tinyurl.com/terraform-002. Yes, the numbering is fucking off. We're on video Part 1, but the gallery is gallery 2. So anyways, you're going to go to this URL here, app.terraform.io/app/getting-started, and you're going to click this panel that says Start from Scratch. Okay, so this panel right here, you're going to click that. It's going to bring you to app.terraform.io/app/organizations/new. Create a new organization. I'm going to choose Kanji Coder in all capitals. So I don't know how this is going to affect the URLs. Here's what my URL looked like on Heroku and Google App Engine. Neither of these URLs used my organization name or username, but they did use the project name in the URL. Okay, so Kanji Coder, all capitals. We're going to create organization by hitting this button here. And this little success dialog is going to pop up in green. Now, it might just fade away, or you might have to click it. I don't know. And then you'll be at https://app.terraform.io/app/ the name of your organization /workspaces/new. Okay, so now it says create a workspace. Choose your workflow. What is the workflow we're going to use? Well, we have three options. We have version control, we have CLI-driven workflow, and we have API-driven workflow. If we want to do it the way we did it on Heroku and the way we did it on Google App Engine, I'm pretty sure we need CLI-driven workflow. So we're going to click CLI-driven workflow, this button right here. We're going to do that in the next video, though, because we are out of time here. So if you want to go to this gallery, just go to www.tinyurl.com/terraform-002. And if you want the source code for this video, you can get it right here. You can email me here, and you are on this playlist here. If you want a longer explanation, you can go to this playlist right here. You've been on video number 511, Hashicorp Terraform number 1, and yes, the alignment of the video numbers and the gallery numbers are off. I am sorry. Like and subscribe. I'm Kanji Coder.